volume.
Technical difficulties.
This is a low-budget show. Expect much. Go ahead and ask for a refund on your ticket.
I got in for free.
I think that was his point.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Jesse. Sit with Robbie and Heather. There you go. There you go.
At the hop.
Kicking each other.
Yeah!
Let's go to the hop. 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 Come on. Let's go to the hop. Well, you can swing it, but you can get stuck at the hop. Where the jockey is squeezing. All the cats and chicks gonna get their kicks at the hop. Let's go to 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 the hop. Come on. Let's go to the hop. Let's go.
Zane's doing the hop. I love Uncle Kevin. Oh my God! She's the bunny. Let's go to the hop. Vicky's got her swim on.